Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, my name is Linda. Welcome to my channel. If you're not new here, then appreciate you coming back today. Before we continue, make sure to click the little subscribe button. Click the little thumbs up. Make sure to click the notification bell. That way you get a notification every time I upload. But for now, let's just get started. In this video, I'm doing something really excited. I am going to review the brand new Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde Pallet. I'm excited. I haven't tried it yet. I got it in a few days ago. I have swatched it like 600 million times. I have like played with it. I haven't used it yet, so this is gonna be my first impression as well. But honestly, so far looking at it, to me, this looks like one of the most prettiest palettes he has ever done. I mean, like the packaging of this palette is literally insane. Like I've seen it on Instagram and it looked amazing. But when I got it in real life, I thought, whoa, this is pretty. However, I'm actually always pretty impressed with her packaging because everything always looks really beautiful. But I'm so excited to do a look with it. I've done some, like I said, I have swatched it before, so I've seen the swatches and the swatches look really good. But I also wanted to show you guys the swatches, so I just did all the swatches on my arm and I'm going to show you how they look like. I always do swatches like apply it once and then go over like 2 or 3 times because some people might say, oh no, we want this not. You have to see how it looks like after one swatch. But if we're gonna be honest, like when we do it on our eyes, we're also constantly going back in with that same product. So I feel like if you like just like move it around 2-3 times, you really get that color payoff. So that is what I've done. So these are the swatches. They look so pretty. Like honestly, I'm very impressed. I think it's a really nice combination of different kind of colors, and you still have a few naturals in there, so you can either keep it like naturals with a nice few pops of glitter, and then you also have your really like colorful colors in there. So I feel like the palettes can go, you know, a few ways. This mint green color is so pigmented. I'm really impressed with it because, to be honest, like neon colors and pastel colors are pretty hard, I find. And I have some neon palettes and I have some pastel palettes, but I feel like the pastel never comes out how it should. And I feel with this one, she done a really good job because it really brings out that pastel green color. So yeah, let's play with it. Right now we are really close and personal. I have already primed my lid. I just used a normal concealer, applied it on my eyes, and make sure that I use a powder to set the concealer. So we're gonna dive straight in. I'm gonna go in with this color Utopia first, and I think this is going to be my I don't know how you call it, my crease color, I guess. Then I'm gonna go in with the color Crash, which surprisingly has a very purple undertone. I did not expect that, but I'm just going to use these 2 colors to blend that all over, all in the crease. Oh my god, this color payoff of this color is literally insane, and I don't know how she done it because it's also a matte color, but it's so beautiful. So I'm just grabbing this color and I'm just stacking this all over the eyelid, and the more I stack it on, the more color payoff I get, and it is literally stunning. And then I'm grabbing a little bit of this one and I'm using that to blend out that blue. So it has a really nice pastel transition. Applied it on top of the green. I totally forgot to mention, but she also got these beautiful like Mercury Retrograde special brushes. So I think I'm gonna go in with one of the brushes and see how it works. I think this one is made to actually apply the glitters with. And it's working really well, to be honest. I just want to make it more purple around here. Oh wow, this is very pretty. So far you can see that the glitters have a little bit of fallout under my eyes. But I think nothing too crazy, as long as you make sure you keep that in mind. And maybe like if you really don't want to have any fallouts, maybe just do your eyes before your face. I am going to go with that same green. And I'm going to apply that all over my lower lash line. And this is going to be the base of my lower lash line. And I'm going over with like a blue glitter to really make it pop. So I'm just using the Huda Beauty brush again. And I'm just really blending that under my lower lashes. And then I am going to go in with this green purple. Oh, that is really good payoff as well. Thinking about adding a bit in the corner here. I so far really like this palette. It looks really beautiful. So I'm grabbing this pencil from Urban Decay, which is the 24 Glide On pencil, and I'm just adding this in my waterline, just because I want to create a bit more shadow and a bit more smokiness. I feel that it's going to make those colors really pop. Oh my god, you see how that makes the colors pop? I think that looks so good. Wow, really nice. I think I'm also going to add some on my top lash line. So I think for me, so far the only color that's really missing in this palette is, I think, a black one, like a really dark one, to create this kind of shadowing with it, because I really like for my corners or my lash line to be a bit darker. So you can still use a eye pencil or another black shadow to create this effect, but I feel like it really makes all the other colors pop. So I love the colors. The only color I am missing is a black one. But this is doing the trick really well. So for lashes, I am using a current favorite, which is the Unicorn Lashes Peachy Pie Lashes. So this is the finishing look. I hope you guys like this. My verdict on this palette is that I absolutely love it. It's so beautiful. I love the packaging. I love the colors. The thing that impressed me the most is those pastel colors, because normally every single palette I had that had either like neons in there or pastels in there, once you put it on the eyes, it just doesn't work. It doesn't show up pastel. It just kind of like disappears in your skin. And this literally pays up so well. While I was doing my other eye off camera, instead of going in the green first, I went in with a pastel pink, like directly on my skin. And if you are into colors like this, if you're into making like, you know, looks like this, then I will definitely go for it. If you're maybe more like a natural person, you could still make it work, because there's so many like colors in there that are actually pretty natural. But yeah, I definitely would recommend this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you liked the finishing look. If you did, make sure to give me a really big thumbs up, because that will really help my channel out. Make sure you also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me. I try to post every week, but if you want to see more of me in the meantime, make sure to go to my Instagram, which is Makeupbysanchez, where I post daily Instagram makeup videos and everything like that. So yeah, and for now, oh, my camera, my microphone. And for now, I want to thank you for watching. I'm gonna love you and leave you, and I see you in my next video. Bye.